Tired of searching for a Hostinger coupon code only to find expired links or fake promo pages? It's frustrating, right? If you want the actual discount without the headache, here is the trick. Don't waste time Googling. Just click the link in my description. That link takes you directly to the real Hostinger pricing page. Here is the insider secret. The price you see listed is good, but the magic happens at checkout. Once you pick your plan, the system automatically applies the real working discount. Most people miss this step, but using my link usually triggers an extra 20% off right in your cart. And honestly, Hostinger is a no-brainer right now. It is incredibly fast, super beginner-friendly with one-click WordPress installs, and their new AI website builder lets you create a professional site in minutes. You get free SSL, daily backups, and on some plans, a free domain for a year. For most people, the premium plan is the sweet spot. All the power, none of the fluff. And if you change your mind, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you aren't losing anything. So stop hunting for fake codes. Click my link in the description, pick your plan, and watch the discount appear automatically. Lock in the best Hostinger deal of 2026 today.